Hello students, I am Madhuri Abhale from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching maths of standard 4th. Here we are going to start chapter number 1, that is building with bricks part 1. So let's start with our first chapter, that is building with bricks. Everyone knows that what is bricks. So in normal language, for making a wall, different types of bricks are used. In Hindi, bricks means eat. Let's start the chapter. Brick patterns for Jagriti School. This is the true story of Jagriti School in Murshidabad, that is situated in West Bengal. When its building was being made, there was a plan to make brick patterns on the floor and walls. Jamal, Kalu, and Pian were the masons for the brickwork. They wanted to get new ideas for the school building, so they took their other friends to see the old tomb of Murshid Kuli Khan. So, in this paragraph, Jagriti School is situated in Murshidabad. It comes under West Bengal. So when its building was being made, there was a plan to make brick patterns. Means वहाँ पे जो buildings बनने वाली थी, वहाँ पे वो लोग brick patterns use करने वाले थे for floor and walls. There are 3 masons are there, Jamal, Kalu and PR. Now, what do you mean by mason? Mason means a person who makes things from stone. हम लोग नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में उन लोगों को लेबर्स बोल सकते हैं. They wanted to get new ideas for the school building, so they took their other friends to see the old tombs of Murshidabad Kuli Khan. Let's see further. This building has a big floor with about 2000 beautiful brick pattern. उन लोगों ने जो बिल्डिंग देखी थी, वहाँ पे 2000 से भी ज़्यादा ब्रिक पैटर्न्स क्या किए हुए थे, फॉलो किए हुए थे. These were made by masons long back about 300 years ago. Means 300 years ago वो ब्रिक पैटर्न्स क्या किए थे, बनाए हुए थे. Now you can see pattern number 1, pattern number 2, pattern number 3, 4 and 5. All these 5 patterns are used over there. Look how the bricks are arranged in these 5 floor patterns. Let's see the first one. See, you can see easily these horizontal and vertical lines or bricks were arranged here. In second diagram, this curve is made here with the help of bricks. In third diagram, first they make square with bricks and then this curve shape is made over here. In fourth diagram, this cross shape bricks they used to make this pattern. In fifth, they use this type of figure to make this pattern with the help of bricks. So our first question is, which floor pattern do you like the most? So which floor pattern do you like the most? In this question you can write your own answers. So as per my views, I like pattern 5th because this seems familiar. So I will write here pattern number 5. Have you seen such patterns anywhere? So yes, this type of pattern is prevalent in mosque. So this answer is yes. Many monuments also have these types of patterns, so you can write yes. If you do not see these types of pattern, then you can write No also. Let's move further. The masons came back excited. Jamal said, "Ah, in those days they had made so many interesting brick patterns. We had forgotten this. Let us make some nice designs on the floor of this school." It means they are planning to make new floor items for their school. Each mason made a different brick pattern. The school is proud to have such a beautiful building. Children play and sing on it and also make new patterns themselves. You can observe this figure. There are so many different types of brick patterns you can see. Let's move further. On page number 3, you can see these 11 brick patterns. The first one is in crisscross manner. The B one is many different types of in different shapes bricks are arranged. In C, there are many horizontal and vertical bricks are arranged. You can see D1, then E, the sun shape bricks were arranged. Then E again cross pattern arranged. In G, again the horizontal and vertical bricks were arranged. In H pattern, the small bricks then large bricks were arranged. In I pattern, again small sun pattern is drawn over here. In J, the circular shape pattern you can see, and in K, the normal brick pattern you can observe. Let's see the first question. Which pattern is made in a circle? So you can see the J pattern is in circle form. How? You can see that the first is made with circle, then again the second layer, then again the third layer shape you can observe in J. So your answer is J. Question number 2. In which pattern can you show mirror halves? Draw a line. Let's start with figure A. If we draw a single line, first of all, what is mirror halves? Mirror halves means, suppose you are standing in front of mirror and how you can see yourself in mirror. That is what a mirror halves. So suppose this line I have made here, so this and this, both the shape can be similar, but you can see here the both is not similar because here some bricks are not matched with this shape. Let's see in B diagram. If we draw like this, again the shape is not matching. The shape is not a mirror half shape. The C1 is not possible. D also not possible. E1 is also not possible. Because they are not arranged in proper shape. F1 is also not probably a mirror half shape because you can see this shape and this shape. Let's see G1. G1 is also not a mirror half because these all are not uniform in shape. You can see H1. If we draw a straight line, then you can see this part and this part is a mirror half shape. So your answer is H. In which pattern can you show mirror halves? So your answer is H. In I, also this is not matching because this brick is not matching with this part. Then again this is a circular shape, so this is again not a mirror half pattern. Then K is also not matching with mirror half pattern. So in which pattern can you show mirror halves? So your answer is H. Next question. Now you draw some new floor patterns. So you can observe all these are different bricks pattern.